Dental implants are now an extremely popular and reliable solution for the replacement of missing teeth. Many patients are curious about it is like to recover after receiving dental implants. In this clip, we'll look at how to proceed through the process of recovering and give strategies for a successful and efficient recovery. 1. Immediate postoperative care. After implanting dental teeth, there is a normal tendency to experience discomfort or swelling. You may also experience minor bleeding. Your dentist will supply you with instructions postoperatively for managing these signs. It is crucial to be sure to follow these directions carefully in order for proper healing and to decrease the possibility of developing complications. 2. Treatment of discomfort and pain. Your dentist could prescribe painkillers to ease any discomfort you suffer after getting dental implants. It is crucial to take your medications according to the directions and stay clear of taking any other medications that could interact with these. In addition, cold compresses and maintaining your head elevated will assist in decreasing discomfort and swelling. 3. Food and drinks. After the dental implant surgery, it is crucial that you adhere to a moderate food regimen to ensure that you don't put pressure on the implant. Foods like soup, yogurt pudding, or potatoes mashed up are excellent alternatives for the first couple of days. Do not eat hard or crunchy food items, as they can irritate the implant's site. 4. The proper oral hygiene is vital to ensure an effective recovery from implants. Your dentist will supply you with guidelines on how you can take care of the implant and ways to wash surrounding the site of your implant. Brush and floss daily to reduce the spread of infection and to speed up the healing process. 5. Schedule follow-up appointments. It's crucial to make any follow-up appointments you have by your dentist to confirm the healing of your implants in a proper manner. The dentist will keep track of the healing process and may make necessary changes in your treatment regimen. If you are experiencing odd symptoms, for example excessive swelling or pain, it's important to consult your dentist as soon as possible. 6. Physical activity. Although it's essential to relax and allow your body to heal following the placement of dental implants, moderate exercises can aid in the healing process. Light exercises, such as moving or stretching, could boost blood flow and lessen swelling. It is nevertheless crucial to refrain from vigorous activities that could put strain on the implant's site. 7. Smoking cigarettes and alcohol drinking. Smoking or excessive drinking of alcohol may hinder healing after receiving dental implants. Nicotine can engorge blood vessels and can reduce blood flow that can cause slowing of the healing process. It's important not to smoking and to limit the consumption of alcohol throughout the healing process. 8. Long-term care. After your dental implants have completely repaired, it's vital to ensure good oral hygiene and regularly attend dental examinations for the long-term health of the implants. Cleaning and flossing your teeth regularly in addition to not eating food that can harm the implants can assist in avoiding complications and keep your implants looking and feeling at their most optimal. In the end, the healing process following dental implants is a matter of proper care of your mouth, a keen eye for hygiene, and heeding the directions of your dentist. When you are taking care of yourself as well as your implants, you'll be able to reap the advantages of your beautiful, functional dental smile for many years to follow. If you have any queries or questions about the recovery procedure, don't feel shy to speak to your dentist to seek advice as well as support.